Hello everyone, this is Meghna, MS Research Scholar from the Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering, IIT Madras. Today, I am going to speak about our work on reactive bilayers by self-activated electroless nickel phosphorus deposition on pure aluminium. Nickel aluminium bilayers and multilayers are commonly used in reactive systems because of their high heat of mixing. Traditionally, they are produced by methods such as putter deposition and rolling, and in case of powders, by ball milling. But these methods are time consuming and expensive. Therefore, a chemical method will overall ease the fabrication process and at the same time yield uniform coatings. One such chemical method is the electroless deposition process. Electroless deposition is a chemical reduction technique in which a desired metal is deposited on a substrate in the absence of an external electric source with the simultaneous oxidation of the reducing agent. This process is autocatalytic in nature and generally requires some sort of surface activation before the deposition can be carried out. In this case, the desired metal to be deposited is nickel. A typical electroless nickel bath consists of a source of nickel ions, a reducing agent, a complexing agent, and a bath stabilizer. In this work, nickel sulfate is used as the source of nickel ions and sodium hypophosphite is the reducing agent, and the natural pH of the bath is 5.6. Aluminum has an inherent oxide layer, the reason being which it requires surface activation before any deposition can be carried out. In this work, we show that electroless nickel deposition can be carried out on aluminium without any surface activation. In order to do so, we use a basic bath, that is, a bath of pH 7 and 8, which dissolves the alumina layer and thus exposes fresh aluminum ready for deposition. The pH of the bath was altered by adding appropriate amounts of 10M NaOH. The deposition was carried out at the temperature range of 70 to 85 degrees Celsius at various time durations. The chemistry of the coating obtained largely depends upon the type of reducing agent used. Since the reducing agent used here is sodium hypophosphite, there is phosphorus core deposition also occurring. Therefore, the coating we obtain is a nickel phosphorus coating. The XRD analysis of the coating shows a broad peak at approximately 45 degrees. This corresponds to nickel peak, and the broad peak indicates that the coating is amorphous in nature. This is due to the presence of phosphorus. The EDS data further confirms the presence of phosphorus. In order to study the morphology of the coatings, SEM images were recorded. These images show an island growth morphology. Initially, small islands of nickel phosphorus are formed, and these come together as the time duration increases to form a uniform coating. To study the kinetics of the deposition process, weight gain versus time was plotted. The graph shows a linear behavior indicating that the kinetics of the reaction is surface limited, and as the pH increases, the rate of reaction also increases. Using the kinetics data, we are able to extract the activation energy for the deposition occurring at pH 7 and pH 8. The activation energy is around 98.7 kilojoules per mole at pH 7, which reduces to around 55 kilojoules per mole at pH 8. The deposition mechanism is largely governed by the reactions given on the right-hand side, and the nickel reduction and hypophosphite reduction are the rate determining steps. In conclusion, we have successfully shown that electroless nickel deposition can be carried out on aluminium without surface activation by using a basic bath. The kinetics of the reaction is surface limited and increases with increase in pH. The nickel reduction and hypophosphite reduction are the rate determining steps in the entire deposition mechanism. In future, we can extend this to aluminum powders as well. Thank you.